Hello everyone and very happy new year. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As many of you know me by Shekhar, and most of you will be new to my channel as this is the first time I'm making my YouTube, but I have a lot of WhatsApp group and Discord groups in a stock market. So welcome abroad and let's get rolling. So I'll be telling about myself like I am having a 15 years of experience in various stock markets around the world and I've been trading for quite a while. So this particular episode would be more of a discussion and few stocks which we are going to play this year starting tomorrow. So the purpose, what is the purpose of this channel and why I came up with this channel is like as I have many Discord groups and WhatsApp groups, I find there are many beginners and intermediate guys in the stock market who actually try to make a quick money, put in the penny stocks, lose everything. So an idea struck to me like why not help them with my knowledge for free, obviously. So this channel is more about learning how to choose stocks, what are the different nuances of stock market, the lingos, the terms, how to play all those stuff. This will be a part of the channel every time I upload a video, but it is more about a challenge which I have taken. Like this year I want to grow my one of the portfolios from 5k to 50k, and I would like to be transparent with you guys so that you, if you want to follow it, you can follow it and grow up with me. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial consultant. I have just my experience. I take up the stocks, I study them, and then I've come up with this uh, target prices and when to get off the stocks and book the profits. Last time, those guys who follow me already have been making heavy profits on VRYYF and then LCA. We took at 13, we sold at 26. That was 100% game in. So, what exactly we are going to do here is like we'll be starting a fresh new account. Means at least I'm starting a fresh new account. I have a Ameritrade, I have Robinhood, I have Fidelity accounts, but for this particular trade, to be transparent with you guys, I have opened a Webull account. Those of you have a Webull, go ahead, it's good. And the best part what I like is the options do not have any um, brokerage, and obviously stocks don't have like Robinhood, and it's easy for the beginners. So those who have Webull, they are good to go. Those who do not have, they can just check out the link below. Join me on the road to success in this and open a Webull account. So without wasting time further, we'll go with the steps what we are going to do in this channel throughout the journey of 12 months is like there are a few basic steps. As I said, there will be a clean slate in a Webull we will be playing. Then there are few things like strategies which we are going to play is like whenever we take a symbol, for example, I'm going to give you a few symbols which we are going to play this week. So although remember this week there will be or this week or going forward another week can be a huge sell-off. That is basically stabilization for any stock market. If you go up and up and up like a staircase, it will always be an elevator when you go up, but it will be escalator when you fall down. So don't be wary of that. If it falls down, it's good for a healthy market, and that is a time, an opportunity to buy. So don't be afraid to buy at the dips. I see many investors, small players, they just sell off, take the losses and get out. That's not how we play or how we trade in stock market. Stock market is not one day quick rich getting scheme. It's a strategy, it's a discipline. It is going to take some time, but eventually you are going to get a lot more returns, believe me and trust me. I have done it so many times and will be doing it again. So strategy is like whenever we try to build a portfolio on a stock, we'll try to accumulate 125 shares, at least 100 shares actually. so that when it goes up or it doubles up or it triples up, we are going to sell part of it and write the rest. And even better, there is another thing which we play is a passive income. We do a covered call on that, which I'll be explaining you or teaching you as we go forward. We have a long journey ahead. So that's one of the minimum things. So now how much money do you need to start this journey? It can be anything. It can be $500 to $2,000 or $5,000. I start with $5,000 and many of you can, I know. So I would be suggesting to go with $5,000 at least. But if you have not that much amount, even 500 to 2,000 is fine. But what is important is consistency. You pay rent every month, you buy food, you buy stuff. Every month you invest money somewhere, right? Try investing some money in this stock market portfolio as well. Like $200 a month is fine. $100 a month is fine. Why am I saying so? Is like, suppose we have a ticker, we are going ahead and we are in that play which is yet to rise, and then we have another play. I don't want you to sell off those. You should have a continuous input of money, whether small or big, doesn't matter. You are in another play as well. So that is what is required. You put a consistent amount of money, one thing, try to make 125 shares so that we can sell off 25 shares or 100 shares and then write on the rest, or keep 100 shares and take a covered call. So that those are the things. So without wasting further time, we'll go with the tickers we are going to play this week. First symbol is FCEL, that is Fuel Cell 1969. The company was formed. What it does is in green energy. So why is it important, and is this the right zone to buy it, right? So I have been playing from $2 and I wrote up, and then again I am loading up. So this the chart which it shows right now, 11s, the 11s and below are the perfect zone to buy it, and it is going to go to 20s. So this will be another plug power. This can be another charge point. This is a long-term play, but we will be rolling out. So our plan is to ride it right now, roll it off at 20, and you can even ride if you want with few shares. I don't care, but that is how our play will be. So first thing is FCEL, which we are going to play. Why? Because it's a green energy. If you see, everyone is betting on this because the leadership change is happening in a day or two, mostly, if there is no issues, if there are no issues, and then this particular government is actually supporting green energy. I see FCEL going forward. Another point is Jason Few. He is the CEO of this company. He has been a part of the chairmanship of many other companies, like he has been into Marathon Oil Corp. Still, he is a part of the board member there. He is into five different board members right now. So I trust this guy. He has a good, strong leadership. So this is one of the stocks which we are going to play. So anybody who is actually new to this, you can just go here, Enviable, type FCEL simply, and then you can just say, okay, I want to trade it. And if you see the graphs here, the graphs are good here. You have at highs of 12s, and then it is again here at 11s. So definitely it's going to roll up from here. So this is one of the plays. Another play which I am betting high on is APXT. APXT is a basically SPAC which has a merger confirmation with Microsoft. So those who played with me LCA, it has a merger with Golden Nuggets, and finally it merged on 29th. So the thing is, like, every spec play will be having a graph like this, and then there is a high point from where it dips. So LCA dipped from 26 point something back to 20s. So that's fine. But again, if you have the play which is strong, like the Golden Nuggets, which is a LCA again renamed to Golden Nuggets, is a strong play. I'll come to that. But right now, APXT is in a perfect buy zone below 15. It's a gold mine, and 13 I cannot say I will be loading up the boat. So what we are going to do is we are going to, in my new account, I'll be actually loading up FCEL, I'll be loading it APXT, and the last but not the least is golden nuggets, GNOG. GNOG is the golden nuggets, and it has a very high potential from here to go to 60s, because golden nuggets minded is one of the biggest player in casinos, and as the markets open up, everything goes up. This is the play you will be regretting if you don't take. Many people played LCA with me at 13s and they rode up 100%. The time, guys, this time it is again, we are going to play it at 20s. If 19s or 18s, oh, we load the boat again. We go from here and we will be taking off the profits, reaping off the profits whenever we have like from 20s to 40s, and from 40s we'll ride with the rest of the shares. That's how we build up the portfolio, we rotate the money. So these are the three stocks we are going to start with the new year tomorrow. So now question again is like, are we going to just go ahead and buy 125 shares? No, there is a term which I always tell to my colleagues, everyone who plays with me, is like nibbling. Nibbling is basically don't buy everything at one shot. You buy something like 25 shares or 50 shares at a time, and then if it goes down, just add more. Another question would be, what if it goes up? If it goes up, still you have to just, buy in chunks and try to average it down. It's a dollar averaging, which will actually give you the way out. So we have a bundled way to create a price where we get in and then we ride it from here to upper zones. For APXT, my short-term target is $20. Those who want to get out at 20, they are welcome to book the profits. Those who want to go ahead, the 30 is the long-term target right now. And golden nuggets, as I already told, and FCEL is again S20s. I'll be coming up with more tickers. We'll be playing together. So tomorrow morning, first thing I'm going to do is buy these shares, and then probably in the next video I will be showing like how we are doing transparently in my videos. You are welcome to do any comments here, and any suggestions you want in my videos is more than welcome. Thank you guys for watching this, and hopefully together we can make a difference this time. Thank you so much.